Speed of Air Engine Technologies has developed patented technology to enhance the efficiency of medium-duty diesel engines, providing significant performance benefits. Speed of Air's patented piston treatment provides increased torque, horsepower, and reduced emissions, while greatly improving fuel efficiency. These improvements also contribute significantly to extending engine life and reducing service intervals. Now, these high-performance pistons, as documented by independent commercial users, have shown to improve fuel economy by as much as 25%. And in this day and age, where everything is becoming more expensive, an increase in efficiency is welcomed by all. Now, how does this design increase efficiency? Well, it all comes down to this golf ball-like dimples on the top of the piston. The Speed of Air technology primarily consists of precise CNC-machined indentations on the piston top, called turbulators. These turbulators create a thinner, well-attached boundary layer between the air-fuel mixture, its flame front, and the combustion chamber walls. This thin, turbulent layer allows the combustion flame front to progress much closer to the cool metal walls of the combustion chamber, thereby increasing overall combustion efficiency. The result? Well, according to Speed of Air Engine Technologies, their technology creates sufficient lean burn to significantly reduce NOx while also reducing CO and HC emissions. They also claim that because more fuel is being completely burned in the combustion chamber, fuel consumption is decreased per brake-specific horsepower. Likewise, available horsepower and torque are increased per specific fuel consumption. Finally, the reduction in carbon, which resolves in soot, also allows for extended oil change service intervals while prolonging the wear surface life. In other words, weird golf ball piston makes engines strong, efficient, and reliable. Now, combined with the dimples, these high-performance pistons also include the application of an aerospace-proven thermal barrier and anti-friction coatings on the piston crowns and skirts, respectively. The thermal barrier coating retains heat in the combustion process, thus providing additional efficiency and power. The anti-friction coating further minimizes abrasion and resistance for even more efficiency. Now, in actual, real-world testing, this technology was used in a wide variety of applications, and these tests confirmed the claims made by the company. Notably, during testing, DFC Diesel, an innovative industry leader and Canada's largest diesel engine remanufacturer, observed fuel consumption reductions of 25% or more with factory tuning. They also saw an increase on average of 5% in torque and horsepower, NOx reductions as high as 80%, and the ability to extend oil change intervals by 50% due to the decreased soot in fuel dilution. Now, this company's piston design doesn't just work on diesel. They have tested them on diesel, biofuels, and even gasoline. In fact, they have been supplying pistons for the motorcycle company Indian for years and years. Now, in their testing of all these engines, they managed to take non-compliant engines that did not fall within the EPA regulations and bring them into an EPA Tier 4 standard without the use of any additional after-gas treatment. Now, you don't have to be some massive company to use their pistons. Speed of Air Engine Technologies offer complete engine kits for all GM Duramax, Dodge Cummins, and Ford Powerstroke mid-duty diesel engines. So if you have a work truck or even a fleet of diesel-powered vehicles, it might be worth it to look into these and do some research. Now, for interest's sake, I wanted to see how much one of these kits would cost, but their website just didn't want to cooperate at the time of making this video, so if any of you know the price range of these kits, leave a comment down below and I'll pin it. So in conclusion, this technology seems to be amazing. Going to DFC Diesel's website, the headline is the only piston in the world that pays for itself. And DFC does work on loads of diesel-powered trucks. So if they say it works, it might. But I will say, I would like to see more tests being run. Because these days, there are loads of companies making bold claims about their technology. But then in reality, the products are a bit of a letdown. Not saying this is a bunch of bull, but I would like to see a bit more proof from the people behind it and see it being used in more actual applications. But let me know down below what you think. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you did like this video, you like all of my other stuff, so just go through my channel, see if there's something else you like. I'll check you guys in the next one. Cheers, eh?